Hi, my name is Emery Sofia Maisara and I'm from Group 1.
Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Zulkairi bin Rosli.
Muhammad Azmi Aziz bin Muhammad Salmizi.
Hi, my name is Aida Dania and I'm from Group 1 and I will explain my question number 4.
So here, I'm going to explain briefly about compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is calculated on the original or principal value and accumulated past interest. Compound interest is the interest imposed on a loan or deposit amount. The compound interest for an amount depends on both principal and interest gained over periods. And the last one, compound interest computation is based on the principal which change from time to time. And these are the important terms in compound interest. The first one is original principal, which is P. P referring to amount invested or deposited or borrowed. And the second one is nominal interest rate, K. Interest rate for a year together with the frequency. And the third one is periodic interest rate, I. Interest rate for each interest period. And formula we're using for I is I equal K per M. And the next one is number of interest period, which is N, the number of interest period during the investment period. Formula we use to find N is N equal MT. Future value or maturity value or S, the number of interest period during the investment period. The formula for S is S equal P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, by N. And the last one is interest amount, which is I, the differences between total amount and the principal. And the formula we use to find the differences is I equal S minus P.
Based on this question, we will use the future value formula and compound interest formula, which is S equals to P in bracket of 1 plus I powered by N, and I equals to S minus P. The input for this question is P equals to 12,500, K equals to 0.085, M equals to 4, T equals to 12. So we will find value for I and N first, which is I 0.085 over 4, and we can get 0.02125. And then for N equals to 4 times 12, and we can get 48. When we put all of this information in the formula, we will get S equals to 12,500 in bracket of 1 plus 0.02125 powered by 48, and the answer will be 34,296 and 47 cents. In this question, we will use the value, but we will find the present value, which is P. The input is P equals to X, I equals to 0.085 over 2, which is 0.045, N equals to 2 times 8, which is 16, and S, which equals to 5,618.94. We will change this formula to make P as a subject, and when we put all the information into the formula, we will get P equals to 2,778 ringgit and 40 cents. For B2, we will use the same input as question tell, but we will use S from previous question plus 1,500 as P, and we will get 4,278 40 cents. So when we put all the information into the formula, we will get S equals to 4,278 ringgit 40 cents, open the bracket, 1 plus 0.045, close the bracket, powered by 4, and we can get S equals to 5,102 ringgit and 7 cents.
I'm going to explain in detail the concept of annuity and list of the related formula. So what is annuity? Annuity is a series of payment made at an equal interval of time. Example of annuity is shop rental, insurance policy, and installment payment. So this is important terms of annuity. S for future value, that means maturity value. A is present value or initial value. R is amount of periodic or series payment. N is number of interest period or payment. I is interest rate per interest period. There are two related formula of annuity. First is future value. The formula is S equal R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N minus 1 per I close bracket. The interest earned I from investing in annuity is given I equal S close and R. Second is present value. Formula for present value is A equal R open bracket A minus open bracket A plus I close bracket negative power of N per I close bracket. The interest earned I from investing is given by I equal NR minus A.
So the first question is, Zaim must pay 1,300 every month for 25 years to settle the housing loan, which charge 3.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the cash price and the total interest charge. So first, we need to take out the points. Here, we could see Zaim need to pay 1,300 every month and 25 years to settle the loan. And it charged 3.5% monthly. The question is, we need to calculate the cash price and total interest. The cash price formula is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I square root negative N over I close bracket. So basically, we need to find the A. So first, we need to change the R to 1,300 and then change all the formula into numbers. And we need to multiply the 25 years into month by 25 years times 12. And we will get 300. To solve the equation, we need to solve the bracket first. Then, we could multiply with 1,300. The answer is 3,714 ringgit and 29 cents. Do you guys get it? To search the total interest charge, we use the formula I equals to N capital R minus E. We replace with number 300 bracket 1,300 minus 3,714 ringgit and 29 cents. Solve with the calculator, the answer is 386,285 ringgit and 71 cents. So here's question B. Kamal decided to buy a television set for 8,000 and agreed to pay for it with 24 equal monthly payment at 1.5% compounded monthly. Like usual, we need to point out the points. So first is 8,000 for the television set and he agreed to pay for it with 24 equal monthly and 1.5% compounded monthly. To calculate the monthly payment, we need to use the formula S equals to R in bracket 1 plus I squared N minus 1 over I close bracket. Since we were searching for monthly payment, so the unknown number is R. It became 8,000 equals to R in bracket 1 plus 0.15 over 12 squared 24 minus 1 over 0.15 over 12. Like we normally do, we need to solve the bracket first. Here's the answer. The answer is 287 and 90 cents. For second question, we need to calculate the interest paid by Kamal. The formula that we need to use is I equals to S negative N capital R. We just need to change the number. And since we already searched for R, don't forget to use the previous answer and change into R. The final answer is 1,090 ringgit 40 cents. For question number 3, if Kamal failed to pay the first third payment, how much should he pay on the fourth payment to settle the outstanding errors? For the formula, we need to use the same formula as question number 1 and replace it with R as 1,090 ringgit and 40 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.15 over 12 squared 4 since we need to find the fourth payment, and minus 1 over 0.15 over 12 close bracket. So the final answer is 4,444 ringgit and 6 cents. Do you guys get it?
That's all from us. Thank you, guys.